Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. So we can use about interpretation by substitution. So I will put about u equal to tan of 3x minus 1. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have number 3 secant of 3x squared minus 1, because number 3 that is from first derivative of 3x minus 1. That's why we have number 3. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. This one we change for u. This one we change for the u over number 3. And now we have the formula in here. So I will put number 3 on here. So you have number 3 plus 1, we have number 4. So number 3 and number 4, that is about number 12. U, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.